Hello guys, welcome to the channel the MS Hacker. So today I'm going to talk about local file inclusion and solve a box from Tryhackme that will explain about this local file inclusion and directory traversal. So before getting into the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, local file inclusion or LFI are vulnerabilities that are often found in poorly written web applications. These vulnerabilities occur when a web application allows the user to submit input into files or upload files into the server. So, when there is a LFI vulnerability, it allows an attacker to read files on the victim's machine. This can be pretty dangerous because if the web server is misconfigured and running with high privilege, the attacker may actually gain access to sensitive information. So also, if the attacker is able to place actually codes on the web server through any other means, then they may actually be able to execute commands also. This local file inclusion will lead to a directory traversal. So we are going to see the actually exploitation of this local file inclusion using this box on this LFI inclusion box on Tryhackme. Okay, let's deploy it. Okay, now let's run a nmap scan. To do that, just type sudo nmap -sc to run default scripts -sb to enumerate version and the machine's IP. Then hit enter. Okay, no need for me to do it as I've already completed the scan. I'm just going to get the scan results, and this is the scan results. So port 22 and port 80 is open. So I already opened the port 80 HTTP. So here is a bunch of blog on LFI attacks. View the page source. So there is a LFI defined directory in page source. So we just open it. There is a parameter name after the question mark, and this suggests that this server may be vulnerable to LFI attacks. Okay, I will use Bob suite um, to exploit this LFI vulnerability. Just open the proxy. I use Foxy proxy to proxy it to the Bob suite. So yeah, intercept it and let's send it to repeater. Okay, let's send to intruder rather than repeater. So this LFI attack is the parameter. Okay, we set our parameter. Now let's set the payload. So in the payload option, just click on load. So we'll load a bunch of word list. So which will perform directory traversal attack. And after directory traversal attack, we may be able to read some files on the web server. Okay, I'm going to use LFI word list from checklist. So just go to checklist. So it is located in user share var word list. If you don't have word list, then just get checklist using apt get install checklist. Okay, just go to this directory, checklist, fuzzing LFI, and open any one. Just I'm gonna use this third one. Okay, let's load it. Okay, let's start the attack. Just click on it. Okay, let's separate some response to response with length. So you can see here say that some sort of internal error. So let's wait which payload works. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's stop it. So we can see here that the length of this payload is different than rest of them. It says that the 500 internal error, but these ones they give some sort of output. See here, just we can send it to repeater. See, now we can actually get this HCP SSWD also. Here is our file. Okay, this payload just gave us this HC password, so we can just locate other files, read other files in the server also. So this what is actually called local file inclusion, and the process of doing this is called directory traversal. So we got this HCP SSWD. You can see here that there is a username Falcon Feast. So in this comment section we can see here that there is username, and I think it's the password. So let's try if it's the correct password or not. Okay, we can see here that SSH port is open. Let's try logging into it. Okay, we use SSH to log in. Okay, we are logged it inside the Falcon Fist user. So here is our user flag. Okay, so you can use this socat without any password. Okay, socat is just tool like netcat. So let's set up a listener. Okay, after that just create a reversal using socat. So I'm going to use sudo slash user pin socat. Okay, then let's open a TCP for portal. What is our IP? It's 10.9.86.227. 10.9.86.227. Port 4444, and then execute pin exit in on this. This is the socket reverse shell. You can just google it also. So it's just like netcat. Okay, we got our netcat session. So you can see here that we are actually root user. Okay, let's get the root flag also. Okay, here is our root flag. Okay, this much in this video. Just if there are any queries, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.